Welcome to Soundbooth. The first thing we're going to do is create a new lesson. This will open a directory on the computer and we select the folder, in this case it's on our desktop, that we've made for saving the lessons. It will then ask us for the name of the first lesson, which we type in and click OK. We then have a blank screen with item 1 showing, and we're going to put a table in. In this table we're just going to have 4 rows, change that item 4, and just 1 column. Leave the border as it is, the padding as it is, and the table width as it is, and click OK. And we'll then see the table with 4 rows and a single column. We're going to copy and paste some existing words from a text file into these rows. So we copy our first words and paste them. And then we're going to carry a similar exercise for the second row. We copy our words from text file and we click into the second row and we paste the words. Copy them now. And we've pasted we copied extra lines, so we just delete it by putting the cursor there and then delete key. But we'll also change a couple of words in here and change the colour of them. So we click on the word colour, select it, and we go to the menu for font colour, and we'll make it red. Similarly, with the word selected, select it, go to the font colour menu, and we'll have this one as blue. When you click outside the cell, you'll see the colours. For the third row, again we'll copy some text and paste it in. Copied it now. We paste into that third row. In row 4 we haven't got any existing words, so we'll actually type some in. Please enter your name. And what we're now going to do is actually enter a text box. The ABC menu, insert the text field, we'll make it 25 characters long, so we delete 15, type in 25, and click OK. This will create a text box that the student will be able to fill in when they use this in Soundbooth. One other thing, of course, we now need to perhaps change the text size so it's the same as the other. So we actually select the words, we go to the menu at the top and we'll make it Arial 18 point. And you'll notice now the text has changed its size to match the others. And we had a little extra there, the space from the T, we've deleted that. And that has actually put in a 4-line table with text and a text box. There's one thing left to do, and that is we need to put a save button so that a student, when they enter their name, it would actually get saved in their folders when they're using Soundbooth. You can click outside the table. You may need to hold the Shift key down and press Enter once to move the cursor below the table. But once it is below the table, you click on the Save button on the menu and a Save button is entered. The item is now complete, and we can export the lesson with that one item. Click on the export button and a confirmation message comes up. The lesson is now exported. In our next lesson we're going to create a second item.